Namaskar. This is Gavi Kumar from USA. I feel so honored and proud to be awarded as the most admired Global Indian 2020. This award has made me more committed and motivated to do more for my country and bring more laurels. I dedicate this award to my parents and family whose unconditional support, love, and confidence has always been a strong force behind me. And also a big thank you to my friends and mentors who ensured that I was always committed towards my goal. Indians today are making mark in all spaces, be it technology, IT, defense, medicine, you name it, and we are there. Feel so honored and proud to be part of that nation. I strongly preach two things. Firstly, whenever you see a soldier, just salute him. That small gesture of respect will make that soldier more motivated and feel how much their countryman loves him. And secondly, as a parent, it's our duty to teach our kids about the rich culture and the heritage that India is about. My advice to the youth is stay committed and compassionate. With so much disruptions all across the world, stay focused on your goal and take action in meeting those goals. And one thing which my son always says, never ever give up. No country is perfect. It's the people, it's the countryman who lives there makes that place better. Let's do our part, and I'm sure the day is not far enough when we will be called again as the golden bird or the Sone ki Chidiya. Lastly, I like to thank you, Passion Vista, for giving me this platform to share my view, to share my story with my fellow Indians, military and the veterans. That success can be achieved after the services also. Thank you once again for all the love and support. Jai Hind.